Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're gonna talk about binary to octal number conversion. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we need to understand is the direct relationship between binary and octal number system. Binary is the base 2 number system, octal is the basic number system. So to get 8, where's the power of 2? 2 power 1, 2. That's not equal to 8. 2 power 2, 4. That's also not equal to 8. 2 power 3, 8. That's equal to 8. This means that every 3-digit binary number can be directly represented by 1-digit octal number. Since the digits in binary are only 0 and 1, the possible 3-digit combination range from 000 all the way to 111. You got it? Let's start by figuring out 000. Since it's base 2, we're gonna use power of 2. Starting from 0, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. The next step is to multiply each binary digit by its corresponding power of 2. So 0 multiplied by 2 power 0, 0 multiplied by 2 power 1, 0 multiplied by 2 power 2. 2 power 0 is 1, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4. Any number multiplied by 0 always equals 0. When we add all those 0 together, we get 0. That's why the binary number 000 can be represented as 0 in octal. What about 111? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 1 multiplied by 2 power 0, 1 multiplied by 2 power 1, 1 multiplied by 2 power 2. 2 power 0 is 1, 2 power 1, 2, 2 power 2, 4. 1 multiplied by 1 equals 1. 1 multiplied by 2, 2. 1 multiplied by 4, 4. 1 plus 2 plus 4, we get 7. The binary number 111 can be represented as 7 in octal. If we continue to calculate in this way, we eventually get the direct relationship table between binary and octal. Once we have this table, binary to octal conversion will become very easy for us. Okay, let's just try to convert. If we convert the binary number 010011 to octal, what do we get? The first thing we need to do is start from the rightmost bit, group the binary digit into set of 3. So 011 is one group, 010 is another group. What is 011 in octal? It's 3. 010 in octal is 2. When we convert the binary number 010011 to octal, we get 23. Easy peasy. Let's try one more example. If we convert the binary number 01011101 to octal, what do we get? 3 digits as one group, 3 digits as one group, 3 digits as one group. But if you look here, we only have 2 digits. So to make it 3, we're gonna add 0 in front. Adding 0 in front doesn't change the original value. Alright? What is 101 in octal? It's 5. 011 in octal is 3. 001 in octal is 1. When we convert the binary number 01011101 to octal, we get 135. Let's try one last example. If we convert the binary number 1100110011 to octal, what do we get? 3 digits as one group, 3 digits as one group, 3 digits as one group, 3 digits as one group. But here we only have 1 digit, so to make it 3, we're gonna add 00 in front. What is 011 in octal? It's 3. 110 in octal is 6. 100 in octal is 4. 001 in octal is 1. When we convert the binary number 1100110011 to octal, we get 1463. I hope you got this. That's all for today's tutorial. I believe you now have a better understanding of binary to octal number conversion. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe. Thank you for your support. I wish you a very nice day. Take care.